Welcome to another unboxing video of today's device, which is HackRF with PortaPack H4M. So just got this from FedEx, shipped from Alibaba into India. So this is the package. Let us see what is there in the package. To be fair, I've already opened it. This contains the HackRF Mayhem edition of PortaPack along. Yeah. So this is the device. It comes with one whip. I'll show you all the antennas it comes with. One standard USB cable, and then you have the PortaPack itself. It's a nice device. It's got external clock in, clock out, and then the USB Type C. This is for charging, for connecting to the laptop, for your firmware updates, everything. And this also has a nice 3.5 mm audio jack. I think it takes the mic as well. So it's actually 3.5 mm TRRS jack. Then we have a switch here which toggles between internal mic, which you can see here, and the external mic. It comes with a nice matte screen, but when it came, it had the screen cover, the temporary one, and this one is also covered. This is a very interesting, joystick kind of a thing. In the middle, you have a button, then you have a scroll wheel in the middle of that. Right in the center, you have a button, the scroll wheel in the middle, and the four-way push button or joystick, whatever you want to call it, at the edge. So on the top, we have the reset button, we have the DFU button. This the firmware update button. Then there's the reset button. It just resets the whole device back into its original thing. It's got a micro SD slot. This PortaPack comes with its own GitHub link. I'll put the link in the description below, and you just have to copy it. I'll make another video on how to upgrade the firmware. It's a little tricky process. It also comes with a slot here, which you can add add-on boards for additional one. Look at the video by TechMinds. He has a video on adding a custom card here. And then on the back side, you have all those lights here, and then a neatly printed description of what each of those lights are. Okay, let's turn it on. Remember, it came with 2.02 from Alibaba by default loaded. I pushed it up to 2.10, and of course I've changed the the splash screen. There are enough videos. Maybe I'll make a video on how to change it. And click on that. This is the front, you know, um, basic receive transmit. If you go into the receive menu, see the one I told you about, the micro SD card. The GitHub page has all the application that you just need to copy it in the micro SD slot, and then push it in here, and all the applications will start working. So you can just turn it like this, and it will go to the edge. So a lot of applications, and I'll slowly make different videos for covering each of those different applications. But basically, Transmit has a lot of applications. Depending on the use case, there are a lot of applications. So something like Morse, then the key fob, the jammer, and stuff like that. Some may be illegal, so be careful of what you do with it. I don't support any illegal activities. This device should be used only for exploration purposes. And then if you go back, there is the best application that I've seen is the Looking Glass, which has different, already set up different presets for exploring all the spectrum. Yeah, this goes from, I think it goes from 1 megahertz till 6 gigahertz. So a lot of bandwidth for us to cover, a lot of spectrum for us to cover across various satellites, Wi-Fi, air bands, then normal HF, which is where I am focused on. There are, I'll probably make it. These applications are need to be discussed in depth, not in a unboxing, video. So you have the utilities, a lot of utilities here too. So basically, SD card or USB, you plug in the USB C type and connect it to your laptop, and then you can the SD card here. You don't have to open it and put it in the laptop. You can copy paste or transfer files from laptop to SD card and vice versa. Then you have antenna length. So a lot of applications here. Also some games that you can play if you're bored. And then you've got the settings. I like this nice wheel which you can scroll through. And then let me just connect one antenna and show you receive. I have an antenna. Let me just set it up. Yeah. that antenna here. This goes to my multi-band inverted V. So connect the antenna here, and then see, go to audio, and then should be receiving now. Yeah, stuff like this kind of. Yeah, here. So receiving FM radio, and then we can click the center button. We can go to 14.200. Let's see if anybody is there on the frequency. Click on this, then you switch to AM, and then down here you switch to USB. Yeah, should receive there somebody on 14 180. Okay, the bandwidth. So let us reduce it to 10K, and then come back here. Okay, it went that side. Yeah, so 198, 190. So come back here, reduce it to 1K, and then go back here. Yeah, if you connect it to so there is somebody having a QSO. View to DK is there. So we can, let me see if I can increase the volume or gain something. Yeah. So we can explore this. Then we can listen to Mumbai ATC also. So press this 8.879. So this is Mumbai ATC you are listening to. Fun stuff. You can monitor the airband also. Of course, since it goes to 6,000 megahertz, that is 6 giga. Very, very strong signal. Okay, so let's get out of this. Let us see what else you can do. I'll connect it to the laptop and show you how to make the HackRF. See, this is the PortaPack, right? You've got the HackRF board below, and then the PortaPack is you know, as a companion board on top of the HackRF, right? So you can use this in HackRF mode alone, connect it to the laptop and click on this, and it'll go to the HackRF mode. Right now, no, I'm just using this. So this is a quick intro into PortaPack along with HackRF. You know, 1 megahertz to 6,000 megahertz, 6 gigahertz. Lot of area to cover and lot of fun to have. So I'll keep this aside for now. Let's look at what else is there in the box. I got the full kit. I showed you the USB cable. Let me take this out. This comes with a LNA adapter. I've not tried it yet. Maybe I'll try it later. It needs a USB-C type power. And then he has given a patch cable also, very nice. Then he has got various kinds of antennas. I need to try all this. Right now I'm just using the antenna that I have. So very, very heavy antenna here. And then okay, this is just a negative port, so it just pushes in here, right? So this is one kind of antenna. Then there is one more with a base. I don't know if it is magnetic. Yeah, this is magnetic, as you can see. So this is magnetic. I mean, pretty much similar antenna you get via for RTLS here. And then this is one big antenna. Not sure what is this for. Probably looks like a Wi-Fi antenna to capture the Wi-Fi spectrum. And then there is one more antenna which is much longer than. Funny thing is this probably 144 megahertz for 2 meters if I'm not mistaken. It should work. This could be for UHF 70 centimeters. This antenna was sticking outside the box. Probably can't be helped. It's longer and we can't fold it. So I'll just put it inside like this. And let's pack this in. So this is about it. A quick unboxing video. So a lot of fun to have, a lot of interesting things to explore, and it's a very, very fun device. I'm glad I was a little apprehensive on the seller, but looks like this is the original stuff, and I'll share the link to the Alibaba as well. And I won't talk about the price or the customs I paid. It's pretty scary, but I'll leave it up to you. Of course, since it is FedEx, as long as you pay the fees, this will get delivered to India. No hassles there. Okay, thank you, and hope you'll have a nice time if you buy this device. Surely, a lot of things to explore, as you can see, a lot of applications, and have fun. Okay, before we close out, I thought I'll show you how to connect this to your laptop and use it with your favorite SDR software. So to connect it, remember this is PortaPack, which I mentioned earlier before. It's got two boards. The bottom one is the HackRF and the top one is PortaPack. So this operates in a PortaPack mode always. If you have to access your HackRF via the USB, you need to get into the HackRF mode, right? So click on this, switch to HackRF mode, yes, and this comes up and your device gets loaded onto the laptop. On the PortaPack, it will switch to the HackRF mode and you should see the HackRF unloaded here. Once you do that, I use SDR++, but it will work with SDR console, SDR sharp. So let me just load up SDR++. I've already selected, uh, SDR++. Let me load it up again. SDR PP and HackRF is loaded here, as you can see. And then let me start the device. As you can see, the device is started, and let us see if anybody is hearing us. We are on USB. I've selected 16 megahertz bandwidth, and we are on USB. I'm not hearing anybody. And one second. As you can see, the frequency as you move there, the frequency moves here on the HackRF, and you can see the signal coming up here as well. So let us go to see. You can hear somebody there. Let me increase the volume. So right now I'm not talking about HackRF's TX part of it. I need to explore it a little bit before I can use TX on it. From what I have read, the TX is about it does about 30 milliwatts. So you probably need a amplifier to get it up to 1 or 2 watts, and then push it up to more if you want. So this is as simple as that to hook it up to SDR console. I just wanted to show you this so that we cover the whole gamut from the PortaPack device to using HackRF SDR as an SDR and connect it to your laptop. Thank you very much.